What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm back in Five Below and I'm just looking at a lot of new things. I'm finding so many new things already, like these super cute and fuzzy plush journals. This makes me so happy. Look at the cute little pigtails. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. And it's just a basic lined paper on the inside. Also new this week, we have the super cute and pretty unicorn. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just love these. And we have the brand new Holo unicorn. Unicorn? This is not a unicorn. This is actually a rainbow with the cute pom-poms that says I'm over it. And on the back it's just a basic Holo. Right here we have some stripes. On the inside, you guys, we just have basic lined paper, and I think we get a little more paper in this notebook compared to this one. And then over here, you guys have probably seen this one. This is the husky. And then we have the little, I don't really know what this is. What do you think this is?
Dog.
A dog, maybe? Yeah, I think this might be a dog. And he's really cute, you guys. He has a little headband up here, and then one little lonely penguin. Yeah, one little lonely penguin too, you guys, is here with the journals. But you guys, these are so cute. I like to come over here every week. Ooh, you guys, I'm seeing new stuff. I'll come back to those. But we have this one here, and I think these are all just lined. You Are Pure Magic. We have this one here that's new. This one that's kind of a pretty marbled. Oh, this one is super cute. It feels kind of rubbery. Love is my superpower. I really like this one, Be You. I think this is still a journal. Yeah, Be You. This one back here is new, Girl Power. And then we also have this one here. We have so many down here, even more. Have a Nice Day, the Galaxy one. We have the little dog here that says, Hey Gorgeous. The panda. I just love these. Born to Be a Unicorn. Ooh, look, unicorn lovers, this one is brand new. As long as we dream, there will be unicorns, and it is really, really nice. The quality is just amazing on this one. It's like a hardback. Super pretty. I love the little Manikai Nico fortune kitties. They are so adorable, and of course, I love the Holo too. Last but not least, we have a pretty water marble that says the best day ever. I am super distracted. I'm seeing more journals. I have to show you guys those cute little kits over there. But look at these. Look at this. And this feels really smooth and wipe clean. This is so cute. The little Holo glasses. Wow. This is really, really nice. It has a little silky bookmark inside. They also have the pretty pink one with the Holo heart. Wow. A do-it-yourself travel planner. It says Free Spirit on the front. And so the adventure begins. And this is blank. And you can fill it up with stickers and layouts and stamps and everything you want. Washi tape. You can make it whatever you want. Over here, this is just $5, you guys. This is a planner, but it also has a pen, sticker sheets, a notepad, and 20 sheets. Oh my gosh. This is the brand Horizon Group. They also have this one that says #boss. And the graphics are kind of like tattoo graffiti style. And then over here we have this one. And this one is very floral and leafy. We have cactuses and tropical plants. Again, these are all by Horizon Group. Wow. $5. These would make such a nice Easter gift or Mother's Day gift or birthday gift. I'm super impressed. We have a 48 count of gel pens up here. That's a lot of gel pens. for $5. Okay, so we made it back over here. Now these are brand new this week, and this is called the Safe Secrets Diary Set. We get the storage tube, one diary with a lock, one sticker sheet, one fuzzy pen, one ink pad, two stampers, and one memo pad. These are really, really cute. And then there's one more down here, also for $5. And we get the same contents, except this time it's mini. Wow, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, the new cactus erasers. 5 erasers for $1. They had a pack like this last year, but they were not colorful like this set. I really, really love the set. You guys, this is only $1. That is so cute. I know you guys are already screaming like, are you gonna get them? Are you gonna get them? And you guys know I have like a huge collection of cactus items. I have a huge collection of cactus erasers. I totally don't need those, but I probably will go ahead and get them. This little My Little Pony Ocean Gem set is new. It's $3. We also have this one. Oh, this one looks so cute. This is Crystal Pearl. So we have Crystal Pearl, Ocean Gem. What is this one? Another Ocean Gem. I feel like I'm maybe missing one. And then we have some little minis here. These are $2 each. Applejack, Rainbow Dash. Is that Rarity? Fluttershy, just $2, and a bunch of Equestria girls as well. Ooh, these Moana figures are new. Oh, look, we have Maui. He's $4. Oh, we have baby Moana. I want this. She is so cute. Moana of Oceania. We have Moana, and where did Pua go? Here we have Hee and Moana. Let's see, does Maui come with anything? He just comes with his what's that called, you guys? You know what I'm talking about. We also have, oh, I just love this one. Baby Moana. I know we already looked at it, but I have to look at it again with her little conch shell and her little turtle. And then we have Pua, the cute little pig, and there she is again. These are so adorable. Ages 3 and up. I really want to get some of these for my niece. This one is so adorable. This is new this week too, for just $3, Little's Pet Shop. Super, super cute little pelican. Blanche Pelicano. I don't even see a name on this one. The pink poodle is so, so adorable. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Birdie used to play with these when she was a really little girl, and now my niece is turning 3, so now I can buy cute toys for her. I'm so excited. Gator likes the cool boyish toys, but my little niece, she loves the cute little things. So I'm so happy. I have someone to buy for. Look, you guys, we have the Moana coloring books, the Elena coloring books. They have a whole end cap here of coloring books. This one is actually out of place. That belongs over by the books. Down here we have even more coloring books. Wonder Woman, Justice League, Avengers, Batman, Black Panther, Blaze, so many different things. Okay, last week when I was in here, they were arranging a lot of things. They had a lot of new inventory, and they were arranging a lot of new things, and I'm finding a lot of new games in here, like this Topple. Topple's new, Caught on Tape. That's a tape face challenge game. That's new. Poor Taste is new. And you guys, these are all just $5. Prohibited, the game that prohibits you from saying all the right words. That is new. Stinky Safari, brand new. The Big Bluff, brand new, you guys. There are So many new games in here. Oh, I remember seeing these at Walmart. Look, you guys, they have the Fuggler Funny Ugly Monster puzzles here. Who remembers around Christmas time these were out? Or maybe it was around Halloween. They had these plushies and they all have the lifelike teeth. Again, those are the Fugglers, and that's a $5 puzzle. Whoa, they have a lot up here too. Some guns that are kind of like Nerf guns. Oh, and they have the refills here, you guys. That is a great deal. $3 for some refill ammo. That is a steal of a deal because Nerf refills are a lot more expensive than that. I feel like I don't share a lot of these items with you often, so I wanted to come over here and just let you guys know that these items are here. They have things like mouth guards, and they have steel tip brass darts. They have bike pumps. They even have a dartboard. They have the pickleball paddles here, whistles, inflating needles for just $1. That is a really good price. I bet if you go anywhere else you'd pay more than that. They have the $5 cone discs for like soccer or workouts. $3 pucks. Warm weather street hockey balls. This is a 2-player paddle and ball set by Franklin. They have some replacement table tennis balls. A windproof mask, that's $5. If you're a runner, they have a lot of LED light and reflector accessories. Some that even flash and blink for just $5. And then $5 tennis rackets. Wow, they even have golf balls over here. And golf balls tend to be really expensive. The cooling towels, the inflatable baseball target toss, like the little inflatable guy you can throw the ball through, various cones, they have foot pumps, they have so much in here. But you guys, I feel like I just got started and I know I have a lot of more new things to share with you guys, like some new shoes, maybe some new makeup. We're gonna go into room. I see new things for room. So you guys be sure to tune into my next video where I'll share even more new things here in Five Below. But hey, you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, show YouTube that you did and let me know that you did too by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.